order from Temu in Saudi Arabia. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to order from Temu in Saudi Arabia. So first of all you have to do, just come to your preferred browser, and over here on the search bar just simply search for Temu Saudi Arabia, and it will open up the Saudi Arabian website particularly designed for your Temu account. Just simply open that, the first option, and over here you can see that your account has been logged in Saudi Arabia, and over here all you have to do is just simply select the product that you would want to buy. As you can see that I have already selected a product and I have put that into my cart. Just simply click on checkout from here, and now in the shipping address all you have to do is just simply fill in your Saudi Arabia shipping address detail. For example, as you can see that in the country and region section South Africa has been selected. Just simply go down here and select Saudi Arabia. So now it is saying that if you have selected Saudi Arabia, make sure that you have switched to Saudi Arabian. Just simply select that, and over here you have to select the region in the map as well. So if you're done doing all of this, and after that you need to select your permanent address of your Saudi Arabian residential. Just simply fill in the details, and on the next page just simply make the payment for the product that you are purchasing and just check out. And this way you will be able to order from your Temu account in Saudi Arabia. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.